Hi friends, this video shows how to add multiple languages to keyboard. So let me go to this search field, set this search field from top, then open keyboard. See, right now this keyboard shows only one language, English. I will show you how we can add multiple keyboard languages here. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to system, go to keyboard, select Gboard settings, select languages. Here first we have to turn off this first option, use system languages, turn off. After that we can select multiple languages here. Let me select Arabic, Chinese. See, now I have selected 1, 2, 3 languages. Here you can see those 3 languages. Let me test. Go to home screen, go to search, open keyboard, and here you can see new button, language switch button. Using this button we can change keyboard language. See, Chinese, English, Arabic. There is one more option. We can use this space bar, select it, then press and hold OK button on the remote. From here also we can change. See, so this way we can add multiple languages to keyboard. Next I will show you how we can revert these changes. Again, go to settings, system, keyboard settings, languages. Just enable this first option, that's all. That way we can revert all these changes. Let me test. Go to search, open keyboard. See, now that keyboard language switch button is not available here. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.